Hey everybody, Joe Kuipert here, Commercial Product Manager with Lincoln Electric. We have the Power MIG 215 MPI next to us, and today we're going to learn how to set up a TIG weld. Let's come down to the screen and I'll walk you through it. All right, so now we're going to set up our TIG weld. We're going to scroll our process down to TIG, confirm our polarity, our gas connection. We're using a TIG pedal, so we're going to scroll over and select yes. We're using 3/32 tungsten. Our thickness, keep in mind this display is to scale, which is 10 gauge. Give it a minute to detect that pedal. And again, we're automatically at the parameters we need to make an accurate TIG weld. I'm going to put on some PPE and we'll get welding. All right, ready, set, weld really tuned me in for that DC TIG weld. It came out great. A machine like this has plenty of output for those small TIG welds, stainless tubing, light chassis work. It's perfect for the home hobbyist or the light fabricator. If you need any more information on the Power MIG 215 MPI, just visit lincolnelectric.com.